Hi, my name is Ummed Meel. Snort is a free open source network intrusion detection and prevention system. Let's detect network intruder. In this video, we are going to discuss the following things: deployment of Snort, how to add custom rules, analysis of Snort, alert logs, and real-time network intrusion detection. Now, first step is installation of Snort. Here, I am installing the Snort on the Ubuntu server. Just open the terminal and type the command sudo space apt-get install Snort. Press enter to start installing. Just enter the credentials. It's installing. Yes. During the installation, you would be asked to define the network range. To configure the Snort in technical term, you would be asked for CIDR. As you can see in the picture, it is asking for configuring Snort. This is a subnet masking 24, this is subnet masking 32. Snort is configured to use multiple interfaces. It will use this value as the home underscore net for all the rule set defined by the user. To get your subnet masking, just open a new terminal and run the command ifconfig. Here, as you can see, I'm using subnet masking as 255.255.255.0. So go back to the previous terminal. Let me define my subnet masking or network range as /24. Press enter. Create a directory to save the alert logs. Now run the following command to validate the installation, which would check the entire Snort configuration with predefined sequence during the installation and would display successful installation message. Now the second phase is to add a custom rule. This is an optional step. First, add a new file to the Snort. Run command sudo touch etc snort rules custom.rules. Now open the Snort configuration file using the following command sudo space nano etc snort.conf and add the file that we have created custom.rules in the Snort configuration file. Let me add here include space $rule underscore path slash the name of my file, that is custom.rules. Control X. Rules. Yes. Press enter. Before adding a new rule, if you want to check the default rule set of Snort, just visit to the rule directory of the Snort. Press. Yeah. Here you can see that we have added a file as in custom.rules, and you can also see the all set of rules defined by the user by default. Now if I want to add a new rule, then just open the custom.rule file using the following command and type alert space any. First any denote the attacker's IP address and port number respectively. Then again type any that denotes the victim machine IP address and port number respectively. Then type the message which would you like to display on the screen at the time of intrusion attack. For an example, here we are going to add a new rule to catch the heavy ICMP packets. So let me just type the message ICMP large ICMP packets. ICMP packet. Then let me define the size of ICMP packet. D size, that should be greater than 800. Now type the reference. Let me insert the reference with the 246 value. Then class type, let me insert the class type as bad unknown. The last one is revision. Let me add as a revision 4. Let me check once again. Everything is okay. Message good, fine. Packet size 800, it's okay. Reference, that was 246. Now everything is okay. Let me save the file. Control X. Yes. Save. Now run the following command to validate the installation. It would check the entire Snort configuration with predefined sequences. After the successful deployment, it's time to analyze the Snort alert logs. Now, to check the log or the alert messages, just create a dummy attack from the attacker machine. Now, move back and check the alert. As you can see on the screen, Snort has detected the detection of a network scan. That means attacker might have run nmap scan. Previously, we have created a log folder to monitor the alert logs. In order to monitor the real-time traffic on a network configured with Snort, we need to run the following command to start the real-time monitoring of network intrusion attacks. Let me just type the command sudo snort -a console -q -u snort -c etc snort.conf -i, and then the medium through which we are going to capture the packets, that is Ethnet 0. Let me just enter the sudo password. Let me just create the dummy attack using Sparta vulnerability scanning tool. It's scanning through the nmap and nicto and other tools. Just move back to the victim machine. Here you can see that Snort has detected an DOS attack. Let me analyze deeply. It has detected the DOS attack coming from the IP address ending with 106 machine on the machine, that is the victim machine, ending with 103. Detection of network scan, that was scanned through the nmap. This attack continuously running on the victim machine, as you can see on the screen. Thanks for watching the video.